Get a feel for the 2019 Mazda 6. This vehicle still has fewer than 40,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Indulge your senses in the refreshing interior and responsive handling of this sleek 6 sedan. Upscale yet family-focused, this midsize offers a delightful driving experience at a surprisingly affordable price. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: brake-actuated limited-slip differential, engine immobilizer. Upscale meets affordable in this remarkable Mazda 6. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.